lagi na.
Ayaw lagi kayo.
Asa si Bingbong? Bong! Bong! Bong, halika Bong, tinan mo. Abusado kayo na sila.
Abusado.
Dili mo hindi dapat ato agianan.
Ayaw
Lahi atong
lagi.
agianan. Wala na yung mga
Na ay waram.
Wala lagi wala. Bong, Bong, just Bingbong.
Ayaw na.
Ayan o. Magsakay tayo lahat yan.
Ayaw ko magsama kayo dito ay magkaroon ganyan. Lakaw na ayaw. Lakaw ng bata. Ayaw sila.
Ha? Yung si Betty. Nak, ano na kayo doon? Oo.
Nahura. Bata.
Ate Sinuya.
We are placing under arrest as deputized to me by the PCTC by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say will be used for and against you in the court.
Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!